Hello, Vibe Song. Bella breaking news. Tamke Bangladesh ni all rounder Shakib Al Hasan. Bo tabuk romjak sinai. Bo jelo chopjak sinai. Bini mungoi kaisa arrest warrant okhorka je bo murder khaitani wo bo tongo hinai. Chung sawai mano Bangladesh o thangnayo kubangma kaisa kotor gothona ongoi thangka. Aroni Pradhan Mantri Sheikh Hasina bo phanose kharnani nangkha bini Bangladesh no yakaroi osfuru je buthal laimani afuru je thuimani abono tuyoi Shakib Al Hasan tamungoi mungsa phano kok saya borokni kok silsa mung aboni bagoide bono phasi roi romnani naikana tamungke bo Shakib Al Hasan hingke Sheikh Hasina bini je party arabo bo join khaijak angke Bangladesh ni situation tabu kaham kano sai mano je Sheikh Hasina ni je neta rokno bo kubangma butharka kubangma neta rokni nok sokka je Sheikh Hasina ni sriti ba kaisa pano toniya bin mukumu hinai kubangma boroni ongoro bokhok baikya bin babani murti rok bini nok rok sok baikya kubangma abo haikhaida target khaikana je Shakib Al Hasan no baksa wansugoi tongoi mano ojorao bo chini India niya bo Bangladesh ni si jasapa nongoi tongtung ang sanani musung maka obose bo khoroksa cricketer chung bini khela rok bo kubang mano naikha bo bono hamjakna bo tongna chini India ni bisingo bo chini borok ni bisingo bo chini Tripura ni bisingo bo inke khoroksa cricketer ni mungose arrest warrant okhoro inke khoroksa cricketer se phasi rijak sina hinke abo belaino wana masingsa inke oboni bagan onorok full nainani hinke Google haboi search khai nai mano je Bangladesh ni media rogo social media rogo kubangma jagano viral ungjak abo bisi baluyako tabuk bai prai 4 ghonta rok ungkhana je o viral video rok kokmani Google ge aro nugoino belai kha tamjani hai ungkha Shakib Al Hasan bobo khoroksa cricketer ya bini mungoi arrest warrant okhorka bake bo phasi si manjak sinake belaino tamo hai hayada norok bahai matong semia angkai bini khela bo naijak ba IPL thungmani rok naijak ba bahai ke khoroksa cricketer bai omhai khlai man abo kaisa chal phano ongoi mano Bangladesh ni oje tongnai rok ni norok nainai di thangoi hambai jotono welcome.
Premier cricketer Shakib Al Hasan is among 156 people accused in the murder of a person named Mohammad Rubel in Dhaka's Adabor area during the protests called by the anti-discrimination student movement. Rubel, who was a garment worker by profession, died on August 7th after being hit by a bullet during the movement on August 5. In a case filed with the Adabor police station on August 22 by Rubel's father, 154 local Awami League leaders and activists were accused, alongside Shakib and the then Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Shakib is included among the 156 people accused in the murder case. As per the charge sheet, he is said to be accused number 28 in the FIR.